Please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon to make life simple. Let's start. Hello everyone. My name is Tejasvi. Now I'll explain the concept of ITIL in a simple way, which is very much required to grow or continue in any organization. In this video, we are going to cover the topics. What is ITSM? Knowing this ITSM helps us to understand ITIL better. What is ITIL? Why this ITIL? Uses of ITIL, history of ITIL, and ITIL versions in order. Let's have a look on one by one. ITSM stands for Information Technology and Service Management. It is nothing but a collection of capabilities to provide the expected output to the customer in the form of services. Some of us may not be aware about the exact meaning of service, so let me tell you this first. Service is nothing but a work performed by one or more persons which is beneficial to others. For example, banks provide several services. ATM is one of its service. If this ATM software and hardware works well and provides satisfactory result as per our inputs, we will say it is a good service. Here in ATM, we are playing a user role. Bank is customer and the firm or team who providing the software and hardware are service provider. The combination of these customer, user and the service provider we called as stakeholders. We can classify services into three categories: traditional services, social networking services, contemporary services. Banking, finance, catering, hospitality are some of the examples of traditional services. Facebook, Google are some of the examples of social networking services. Flipkart, Amazon will come under contemporary services. Till now, we have completed what is ITSM. Now, we will look into what is ITIL. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL is a framework which is most widely accepted approach to IT service management. ITIL is a set of practices for ITSM, and these practices used to aligning the IT services with the requirements of business. Why ITIL? It is globally accepted as a blueprint for IT to deliver business value. Worldwide, it has become the choice of industry leaders. ITIL is vendor neutral and non-prescriptive. Uses of ITIL. ITIL can lower the IT cost and we can improve the service quality, and it helps to increase the productivity also. Now we will discuss about the history of ITIL. ITIL was originally developed in 1980s by UK government agency CCTA. Now it is OGC, and it was mainly used by government agencies. ITIL version 1 is a collection of books, each covering a specific aspect of IT service. Further updates take place to improve clarity of subsequent versions, published in 2001 and 2007. Since January 2014, ITIL is owned by Excelos, a joint venture between UK government and Capita. Of ITIL. ITIL version 1 focused on infrastructure management and grew into more than 30 books. Each book covers a specific aspect of IT service. The initial version was revised and replaced by 9 more closely connected books in version 2, with focus on service delivery and service support. This was further enhanced into 5 core books in ITIL version 3, which focuses on a service lifecycle. Improved clarity was brought into the ITIL version 3 through updates in 2011. And for the digital age, V4 takes place by updating in 2019 and some other modules in 2020. Please provide your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.